Go.
Hello guys. Today we have a big package and it is me today, and I have purple hair. My favorite color is not purple, but I got purple hair. Guys, how do you like my purple hair? Also, y'all can see me at TikTok. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. YouTube again, but on YouTube Short, Amazon Live, Facebook Live, everywhere. Also, I forgot what I was gonna say. Well, we got this cool package.
Yeah, we got this cool package.
It's bigger than me. Can you do it this? And then this, I'm big. We're gonna sign my name on it. But guys, how your day going? How my day going? My day going good. Let them see me. And have you wait? Have you stay hydration? Because you can have it. Then hurry up, go to my YouTube, subscribe, smash the subscribe button, smash it. And yeah, I'm gonna call y'all like my fan. I'm gonna call y'all Cookie Twins. Yeah, I'm calling y'all Cookie Twins. Cookie Twin. I love y'all. Now, I'm only gonna do it some because you know why? You know the other video? Okay, this is worse. I just need to open it some more. Guys, y'all need to subscribe. It looks like that so far. I'm gonna post this. I don't want to look because I want it to be a surprise. Whoever sent me this, I love you. You are my best friend now. I don't care. You are my best friend. If people don't want to be my best friend, you're going to be my best friend because everyone's my best friend. Also, yo. To the crown. This, and these, no, that's not. There is a big box with this, but I'm gonna open this one first. So let's do it. Ooh. Yeah. Boy right here. I don't know what it is. Oh wait. I I do not know what it is, but we're just gonna find out. Well, we are about to find out. You know, guys, each one has to Amazon, I love your things. My mom made me a wish list. Ooh, I did my wish room, my wish bathroom, everything. Wow. 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 I'm opening it. Wow. 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 Thank you for... Yuck. It says thank you for choosing us. We thank you. I have a free gift for you. Just 3 easy tips. I'm definitely doing this. 3 easy tips and as a gift, I'm definitely doing this. We got instructions. We got some of these. We got these. And I want to do it so badly. Got this. We got my arrow stuff. And we also got these little crossbars. And we got this. So cool. I'm sorry. 3, 2, 1. There. Instructions. We need batteries. Well, I do see one. What I can do. I do see what I can do. I can put these in. Okay, I need a dope.
I'm trying to make sure it's on.